Hi everyone, I am Sharad. I live in Vellore in the state of Tamil Nadu. I am an engineer by qualification, a businessman by profession. I am an avid mutual fund investor, an option seller, and now also a YouTube creator. So on this channel, what I plan to do is to share my knowledge and experience that I have gained over this 30 years of my investment journey. A little bit about my background. I joined my family business in the year 1991 and I've expanded my family business over time. And whatever profits that my business has generated, I have invested it wisely in mutual funds, and over a period of 3 decades, that investment has generated ample wealth to me. This wealth has made me fulfill my dream to construct a big and beautiful house for myself and my family, and also to pursue my hobby of traveling around the world. The importance of investing and creating wealth cannot be overemphasized. People normally, they give importance to their health, their diet, they exercise, and they also Google everything regarding their health. But strangely, when it comes to financial health, what I find is most of the people, they neither do their own research nor they consult any good financial advisor. This results in them investing their hard-earned money in suboptimal products, which leads to them not achieving their financial goals. Most of the time, when I observe so many people around, they might be having a good corporate job and they'll be earning a good sum of money as salary, but they do not make proper investments and they sort of lead what you call a hand-to-mouth existence. Whatever salary they get every month, they spend it on their EMIs and they spend it on some extravagant expenditures. The key to the financial freedom is, in the initial period of a working career, you should be working for money. But slowly as you progress in life, your money should start working for yourself. So this is the basic trick which people miss in the initial days of working, and till the time of retiring at 60, they keep working, and they totally depend on their salary for their living. Let me confess to you one thing. I am not a good stock picker. If you ask me which is the good stock to invest now, seriously, I do not know anything about it. But I have created wealth by investing in simple products like mutual funds. So all I want to tell you is that you needn't have extra knowledge about share market to create wealth. By discipline and by knowledge and by patience, you can invest in simple products like mutual funds, and over time you can create huge wealth for yourself. I'll be sharing new videos every Friday. As I told you, I'm a self-taught investor. Whatever I've learned it through trial and error and through experience. There may be hundreds of videos regarding personal finance and investment, but as someone who has created a lot of wealth through investing, I hope I'm able to bring something new to the table. As the saying goes, a journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. So welcome to my channel, Investing with Sharad. I hope I'm able to guide you on a journey to financial freedom through the amazing world of investments. Do subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on Friday. Bye.